everyone, especially you, ma'am. My name is John Mart D. Narciso, a first-year student taking off a Bachelor in Science in Agriculture major in Agronomy. And now, I will perform my oral performance video in Lesson 1 assignment. There have 6 questions that I answer. Question number 1, memorize the element number 1 up to element number 50 found in the periodic table of elements. Recite the elements, symbol, atomic number, and element number. Element number 1 is H, hydrogen, He, helium, Le, lithium, Be, beryllium, B, boron, C, carbon, N, nitrogen, O, oxygen, F, fluorine, Ne, neon, Na, sodium, Mg, magnesium, Al, aluminum, Se, silicon, P, phosphorus, S, sulfur, Cl, chlorine, Ar, argon, K, potassium, Ce, calcium, Sc, scandium, Ti, titanium, V, vanadium, Cr, chromium, Mu, manganese, Fe, iron, Co, cobalt, Ne, nickel, Cu, copper, Gn, zinc, Ge, gallium, Ge, germanium, E is arsenic, Se, selenium, Br, bromine or bromine, Kr, krypton, Rb, rubidium, Sr, strontium, Y, yttrium, trium, Gr, zirconium, Nb, niobium, Mo, molybdenum, Tc, technetium, Ru, ruthenium, Rh, rhodium, Pd, palladium, Eg, silver, Cd, cadmium, In, indium, Sn, 10. Question number 2 is state the difference between atomic mass and atomic number. The atomic mass refers to the weight of the atom. It is derived by adding the number of protons with the number of neutrons. It is also the sum of the protons and neutrons. Well, atomic number refers to how many protons and atoms of the element has. No two elements have the same number of protons, and also it is the value found associated with an element on the periodic table because it is the key to the element's identify. So mass number is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons in an atom, while the atomic number is just the number of protons. Question number 3 is point the locations of metals, non-metals, and metalloids in the periodic table. Metals are located on the left or the periodic table, and non-metals are located on the upper right. Metalloids lie on either side of dividing line between metals and non-metals. Question number 4. Differentiate the properties of elements that are categorized between periods, horizontal rows, and group columns. The periods are horizontal rows across the periodic table, while the groups are vertical columns down the table. The atomic number increases as we move down a group or across a period. The chemical elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic number. The horizontal rows are called periods and the vertical columns are called groups. Elements in the same group have similar chemical properties. It is because they have the same number of outer electrons and the same valency. Question number 5. Point the locations of the orbital shell blocks S, P, D, and F. The S blocks elements are placed in the left side of the periodic table. With P blocks elements, it is the right sides of the periodic table. D block elements between the S and P blocks and F blocks elements is placed separately at the bottom of the table. And the last questions is enumerate and describe the characteristics of each family group found in the periodic table. The vertical columns on the periodic table are called groups or families of their similar chemical behavior. All the members of family of elements have the same number of valence electrons and similar chemical properties.
Thank you for watching.
Look happier, you do. I knew one day you'd fall for someone new. But if he breaks your heart like lovers do, just know that I'll be waiting here for